Dude, whenever I do aluminum, I dump the excess water uh, into like wet concrete
Oh.
because I kept
We can
trying to like.
recycle the water if you need water to make the slag into ingots.
So 100%, I agree with you. Um, unless you have pure ingot recipe, which is better.
Ah.
But inevitably, like every time I did it, like I did the math perfect. Like there was no worry. Like I had everything like exactly right. And inevitably, like no matter what, like 45 minutes later, it would just be like, oh, I got too much water in the system. So I'm just not gonna produce. And I'm like, what are we doing? Why? And it's like too much water, and I'm like, okay, but it's not. Like it's the perfect amount.
Weird.
All right, so I am live.
Not in here. Maybe. I think Mochi went down there to go to the bathroom at one point, but that was a little bit ago, actually. There we go.
Oh shit. I was cruising and I kept tapping my backpack, and I ran out of juice and I was like, I'm gonna fucking die.
I almost died in my Ironman last night.
Oh yeah.
I went adventuring for geothermal, and I fell off a cliff and ran out of fuel. And there was a big monster down there I was trying to avoid, and I fell and literally it was one of those instances where it like is like you can live with a sliver of health.
Yeah.
So cute when he grabs it.
Yeah. Okay. Webcam's going.
Good job.
Screen is up.
Okay, let go. Let go. Let go of it.
And off-screen shenanigans are incoming.
Let go. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, his brother scares him. He does with a lot of toys when his brother can't fucking chill out. I think it's partially he gets bored quicker. Joining and shenanigans. I don't think I'm anywhere dangerous. I can just chill. Oh, let's hope Satisfactory likes to show me things on conveyor belts today in multiplayer worlds where I've built ridiculous shopping mall factories.
Yeah. So let's see. Times.
Looks all right for now. I wonder if it's a combination of like the way your engine is running and then me joining, and then over time with you playing, it prioritizes you over me, and it struggles to do me.
So I can make with one pure oil node, 45 gigawatts of power.
Holy shit.
Currently.
What's the combination to do that?
It is. You overclock the oil extractor to 600. Heavy oil alt recipe. Diluted packaged fuel. So you get 600 oil in crude to 800 heavy oil residue to 1600 fuel.
Wow, okay.
To then 1333.33 repeating turbo fuel per minute. I need more canisters than God. I literally need 1600 empty canisters per minute.
But you technically don't need to make those once you have them. They just cycle.
Yeah, but I need to have like so many of them to begin with. Because it's going to need 1600 per minute. And then it goes, okay, well now it has to go through the system and package it and then unpackage it and have enough to keep filling up.
You need surplus.
Yeah, I need to end up like 5 or 10,000 of them. So I can get that going. And then I need basically 1100 coal and sulfur per minute. So I need them hit 2 nodes to do it.
I do enjoy the economies at scale with packaging, like fuel packaging, because like you need oil to like get it, and then it helps you with like using oil. It's interesting.
Yeah. There's also, let me delete that, and what is this one?
I'm still using biomass in my personal world because I haven't gotten fuel or any of that for my my jetpack, and so I immediately started using the jetpack in here, and I was like, whoa. Oh yeah, game is fucked.
Game is what?
Game is fucked. Look at my screen right now.
Just
Oh, it went away. Never mind. It went away. Never mind. Well, it's back.
So this is actually not more efficient to do this one.
And it's gone. And it's back. That's fucking silly.
Okay, yeah, this recipe is not the business. There's another alt recipe that uses fuel, heavy oil residue, sulfur, and compacted coal that I was trying to use on a different one, but it's not as efficient as regular turbo fuel, apparently.
See, I can watch computers come out of this assembler, and then as soon as they hit the merger, they just disappear. So, I'm a little handicapped.
Sorry.
It's all right. We are 7 adaptive control units away from phase 4.
Yeah, I'm gonna get way more.
Oh, that just makes it really, really, really hard to diagnose what the fuck is going on.
Alright, I'm gonna kick it over to you for a few minutes, because I need the restroom, apparently.
Me and my janky shit.
Flipped again.
Oh, I did it again.
I don't know if you did or if I just didn't fix it.
Do you see what's on my screen?
Yes, transform.
You see that copper string just flickering?
Yeah. All right, you got the con. I'll be right back.
Enjoy. Alrighty. That's a thing. This is what I can't diagnose now. I don't even know which conveyor belt it's supposed to be coming in on. Wait, is it just because this is the top one? And it needs... The other ones are just all getting them first? What's occurring? I can't even see. I don't know. Let's check under here. Cable. That's cable. Not a lot of cable. Not a lot of cable. This is wild. I can see some things, I cannot see others. Okay, so that is taking a bit. What makes the difference? Figure out why.
Alright, sir, I'm back.
You're fine. I'm trying to debug this because it is highly infuriating. It's happening all over the factory. Like, literally, look at this. I should back up, depending on what you can see.
I mean, I'm seeing what you're seeing. You're looking at cables.
There's definitely cables going up that lift right there.
Are there actually?
Absolutely. Huh? Oh yeah, look, it says there's 240 coming on this belt. There's none there. This is happening all over the factory. Like, all over.
I can run a repair on my thing afterwards to see if maybe my thing is fucking up, but I'm not seeing it on my side.
Like, it's silly. Here, check this out. Hold on, let me get to another spot. Where we're making our adaptive control units, it looks like there's nothing being fed in.
Oh, right. I need to put my...
But those are definitely running. Manufacturer is totally running.
Have you used Satisfactory Modeler before?
Nah. Oh, did you see this one earlier? I hope it sticks long enough for you to look.
Oh yeah, I see it.
What about Modeler?
You can download it through Steam. Basically it's just an additive for Satisfactory. You can run it outside of Satisfactory to help you plan chains. Where unlike like Satisfactory Calculator, how you're like, oh, I want to make 400 of these things per minute. Modeler, I can say, this is how many raw resources I want to devote to this. And then you can pick out your recipes the whole way through to see what you can actually make about it.
Got it. Sick. Yeah. I mean, I'm just overlooking all that with the abundance model. I just build enough and then work reverse engineer where I need to fill in gaps of things that are bottlenecked.
I got you. I am using it mainly for power stuff, because I'm like, okay, what is like the best, most efficient way for me to do this,
Yeah, with power it makes more sense because the implications of being wasteful in power are a bit heavier. I guess the implications of me being wasteful is my game runs like shit.
Oh right, I wasn't researching anymore until we get in there. Until we hit the next tier. Oh, I made a change to your modular frame factory that we have at our main base.
Yeah, there's quite a stockpile of things there.
Yeah, we have a splitter basically from your main line of modular frames. And it was just like a splitter that would go towards the sink, and then another that would go towards the factory. I basically killed the splitter and made it a smart splitter, and made the one going towards the sink, the awesome sink, not the awesome sink, the depot, basically to be the main one. And the other is just kind of like I have it set to overflow now, just because there's so much. And we really don't need whatchamacallits anymore.
Oh,
The versatile framework. We have so much of it. Just
it doesn't build into other items later in the game.
It does, but we have a shitload of a stockpile about it at the moment.
To the point where we don't need to build any more of it.
Yeah.
I mean, that was the goal, is so that we could tap those resources for other things, and then not have to run. Yeah.
And it'll still do it. I know that I'm going to be using a lot of modular frames when I build the new power plant.
That's exactly why I built that the way I did, so you could just have a buffet. I knew it'd be more beneficial with modular frames than versatile framework, but I didn't think through the versatile framework as much.
Okay, so I need to look to see what I'm doing for... Alright, so you're basically set to make fuck all plastic per minute. Make 40 canisters. Okay, so over here we're taking in 160 polymer resin. Oh, fun. I need to...
Yeah, nothing I'm doing in my graphics settings is making a difference. What do you mean by repair? I have no idea what that is.
Just like repair the game installation to see if maybe it's got something fucky on my side.
Oh, like the whole install. Oh, like a Steam repair. Gotcha.
Yeah.
I have a subtle feeling I'm just SOL on this one. Oh, by the way, I cleaned up my manufacturer design a little bit in my personal world.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks a little nicer than the shit show that it is.
Yes, this is just an alt recipe.
We're not even in phase 4 and I'm already facing this shit. What gives? I wonder if I go back to our main base, do I still see these problems? Or is it just here? Oh, you know what? I can go complete phase 3. That's what I should do. I can be a lackey. I can make errands. Hypertube cannon. Jeez. I'm so used to slow travel in my personal world. Who the hell needs that? I'll just frickin' walk there. Okay, I got bored of that.
Yeah, you were like, I can just walk. And it was like, you could.
I mean, I've basically almost done it, but I'm definitely going to build an explorer for the last bit of the way.
You have to be back just a little bit too, you fucking asshole.
I actually made hypertubes in my personal factory for the first time, and damn, are they fun.
Oh yeah, using them to like actually go from like floor to floor and shit.
Yeah, yeah. Like, I made one, so I'm just like, this is a lot to think about. Like, I could build a bunch of these and use none of them, and so I made one that was like a solid one I needed. That I knew I was going to reuse in that moment, and it was great. Definitely great.
Okay.
So, yeah, our miners are still producing iron, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to tell you so. Why do I feel like we're stress testing the game? No, other people make more complex stuff than
Oh,
this.
100% they do.
Like, what the fuck? Like, I've seen some Reddit posts. Like, we should not be having issues with this level of scale.
No.
Hello?
No, I have this crazy thing where, like, not even all of them, but a bunch of the conveyor belts, the items are there, they just don't show up.
So, here's my point on those giant, ridiculous worlds that we always see on those places. They're solo.
That, yes. That was my thought, too. Is like, are we stress testing multiplayer in a way that doesn't happen often? Still, no, some of those solo nerds have guilds and clans and shit, and they run worlds. Like, we can't be alone. Two lackluster IT professionals who like to automate shit. Like, there's people who are obsessive and get into Discord servers for this kind of stuff. Like, what? Damn it. Where do I? Oh, okay. Let's do that. I can only imagine what we're in for in that other game that's early access.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, right. You need to be at... taking in 40... So we're making 13.
Oh, that just happened, didn't it? Yeah, this just happened. Fucking hell. Oh, they're not even here yet. Fuck. Oh, that hurts my insides.
You good there, buddy?
I put the 100 adaptive control units on a conveyor that I thought was free, but it was blocked. And I couldn't see that it was blocked, so they went into the versatile framework overflow storage, and now I have to wait for them to hit the end of the storage before I can get them. And I can't see where any of them are along that path. This is like purgatory. I'm about to start upgrading all the belts and things in this storage to Mark IV. Actually, yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do, because why wait?
That is a merger. As I...
Where are the rest? What the fuck?
Okay.
Oh. Okay. What the fuck?
53. That sounds right.
Try that again. Let's put these ones in. Right? That's just they're gonna go, right? Where did they go? I got 10. Oh, there's 39 in my inventory. This is a shit show.
So did you
Well,
bring
and
those
I-
100 over, or?
Yeah, I did. I'm currently trying to find them on the conveyor belts I can't see.
Oh, you conveyor belted them over. You didn't just be like, oh, bring it.
No, I brought them, and then to put them into the thing, I put them on a conveyor belt that looked empty,
Oh.
and it was not.
Oh my god. Brother, you can just drop them directly in the elevator.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's why I'm like, what do you mean we're not done?
Oh, you can do that, can't you?
You can.
Oh, I think I got them. Oh, no. I got 52 of them. Alright, I lost 8.
We have a power generator somewhere that keeps kicking on and then kicking off.
What happened to them? I don't know why I can't find them.
I don't think it's happening at this factory.
I guess I will just go back and get more. Let's hope I can get out of the hypertube. Hey, I did. Great.
think I found the issue in my power plant over here.
You have no idea how excited I got when you said, I think I found the issue.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm just being an asshole.
No, I was trying to figure out why I had just so much excess fuel in the system, and I had a summer sleep in one of the things making turbo fuel.
Oh,
So one of them was
that'll
just
do
like,
it.
I'm gonna fucking make as much as I possibly can.
I can definitely do it. My game literally like frame drops every time I crouch slide. Not walking it this time. You're right.
Bro, we're missing 8. Where are they?
I couldn't tell you. I went to get more. I gave up on that mission.
Terrible. Not really, but
I mean, if I could actually see the game like I should be able to, it wouldn't probably have happened that way. I didn't realize that. That's interesting. Okay.
Welcome to the Project Assembly Pioneer Progress Presentation. Congratulations, the Phase 3 project part shipment is finally ready for delivery. On delivery, Phase 3 will be completed and the main body will be constructed. You should know how this works by now. You'll get access to Tiers 7 and 8 in the hub. In fact, perhaps you should just go look at the technologies there yourself. It's all laid out so that even a monkey can understand it, so you should have no issues. Speaking of which, I don't think you need a reminder about project parts. Instead, I will be providing some interesting facts. Did you know the average pioneer succeeds at saving the day? Did you know the average pioneer knows how to optimize pipe throughput? Did you know the average pioneer stays late at work because they care about humanity? Anyway, I thought you might want to know more about your peers. Good luck in Phase 4.
alright.
Nuclear pasta.
Phase 3 of Project Assembly completed. Fixit's predictions indicate pioneers should generally reach this point faster with above-average results, but we should all adjust our expectations according to the situation. It is understandable. The pressure and complexity will only increase from here, so be sure to take on Phase 4 with efficiency and competence.
All right. So what are we doing?
I'm gonna come back and find some, or look at the research stuff. I imagine it's probably gonna be aluminum first.
I meant as in, are we going to attempt to solve the shit show I'm dealing with? Because I'm effectively useless. I'm playing parkour.
Turbo fuel.
Like I can start putting conveyor meters on conveyors and look to that, but that's quite a handicap still.
Yeah.
I wonder if those 8 I lost ever showed up. Nope. Oh. But there's versatile framework showing up here. Hmm.
Let's see what we
Maybe.
got.
What in the hell? Oh. Found him. Hehehehe. Yay, deductive reasoning.
Oh.
Yeah, and again, couldn't find them because I couldn't see a conveyor belt. They were on a conveyor belt. I could not see them sitting there. The 8 of them. They were on... So you know my storage towers, how they're 2 storage boxes side by side?
It is a known graphical bug caused by bandwidth limitations between the client and the host.
How did you find this so fast?
I googled it.
What the fuck did you Google?
Satisfactory multiplayer. Belts popping in and out.
Belts popping in and out. Interesting. Ew.
Yeah, so it is unfortunately a known issue that they are working on, which does not help us in this moment. I didn't want to find a hypertomb cannon to get myself back, so I just built a train and put it on the track and told it to bring me back to the hub.
Still can't find this.
Oh, hey, that's a summer sloop.
Why can't I find... Why can't I find what you found? Why do I suck at Googling?
Oh man, you want to hear a fun one? You want to hear something fun? It's fun for me.
Yeah, go for it. Try it.
So we went yesterday to Bluey in Boston for
Yeah.
Little Man. And while we were there, at the mall it was at, they had a Lego store.
Alright.
And so it's me, Morella, Owen, my mother, and my niece. And so we're at the Lego store with my mother, and I was like, you know, Mom, you didn't get me a birthday present this year. And she's like, oh yeah? I'm like, yeah, didn't get me a birthday present. She's like, so what do you want? And I was like, oh, let me fucking show you.
She bit. You're in the Lego store. Oh goodness. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got a very nice Lego set.
Go on.
Waiting for path reservation. What is fucked here? I got the Java sail barge.
How come I have no idea what that is?
Because it's kind of a weird set.
It's just like a Lego thing? It's not like a...
It is absolutely like a real thing in, like, Star Wars.
Oh, it's a Star Wars thing. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
it's a
why
Star
I don't
Wars
know what
thing.
it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just uncultured to Star Wars, which is sad, but yeah.
Yeah, it's like from the old movies. They go to drop Luke into this giant Sarlacc pit, and essentially Jabba the Hutt has this giant ship that...
Okay, you did say Java. I didn't quite catch it for some reason or another.
Bauxite
That's cool.
refinement.
How much did that cost?
It was like $500.
Fucking hell. That's wild. Hell yeah.
And she was like, yeah, throw it on the cart. I was like, fucking right. Marilla was at the front of the store, and I like ran back to her with her coats, and I'm like, you need to take these. She's like, what, why? And I'm like, because I need my hands. Gotta hold these Lego sets.
It's like, hurry up before she changes her mind. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm like, she doesn't say yes to me very often, so I gotta take advantage of this shit.
Can you send me a link to that page? Because I just want to read it for my own shits and giggles, and I suck at finding it.
Yeah, I'll get it over to my computer in a minute.
If you found it on your phone, you just text me. That's fine.
That's true, too. Oh, we don't have heavy modular frames being sunk anywhere.
I don't think I needed to make those for anything yet, right?
I feel like we do.
Let me look. What do they get made into? Adaptive control units. Yes, go plunder the adaptive control unit factory.
Into aluminum products via a multi-step process. Considering your past achievements, you should have the minimum required skill to overcome these new production challenges.
I will put a dimensional depot on that. That's what I'll go do. I can be useful.
Someone else will eventually succeed.
Okay.
I know how I can be useful.
There's the blender. Ooh, hazmat suit. That'll be good.
You want me to do that, yeah? So we can access that more easily?
Yeah. Because, like, everything... Or not everything, but, like, hover packs need it. And that's a huge time save for us to get that, but I also need...
Dimensional Depot stops uploading once it's full, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm just going to make a smart splitter and tell it to prioritize the Dimensional Depot and then send overflow to adaptive control units.
Yeah, so I'm going to work on aluminum, then hover pack, then logistics Mark V.
Yeah, I'll probably play around with aluminum too so I get exposure to it for my solo world.
Oh, bitches.
I wish I could see which one of these was the heavy modular frames. Fucking hell.
So if you go to... It can only be made in a manufacturer.
Yeah, this factory, from a layout perspective, makes no sense. So that only helps me so much. But I think I found it. Yeah.
Alright, so I need bauxite. Apparently there's no fucking bauxite over here. Okay. Alright, looks like I'm heading over to you. Because there's a good amount of bauxite in the swamp.
I'm telling you, the swamp is where you do endgame builds like I did.
I know.
I think I found
I
the spot.
My desire to do things in it, though, are non-existent. I'm just gonna keep bombing the shit out of it.
Yeah, I feel that. I need more modular frames. I guess that is what I have to do. I really just need to... Or I need to find a mod for us to load that gives me visual assistance on conveyor belts.
Third option.
I think that... Yeah?
Server start.
What was that?
Running it on a server instead.
We can try that. Yeah, you want to try it?
Yeah, just as a kind of weird middle fix. Because if we can do it that way, then neither one of us is the host.
I mean, yeah, that does make it more equitable. It's not that I've cared that you're the host, but if it gives both of us the problem, then I'd rather just load a mod, and you can play natively.
I got you. Okay, so bauxite here.
But are we doing that now, or?
We can try that now if you would like.
I'll look into what you need to do so you can play the game. I mean, you've ran a server before, but I'll double check.
Oh, I see you. Oh my Jesus.
Map, Epic Games, Steam CMD, Docker. Installing server files, finding the server files, networking, inbound rules, outbound rules.
Because I know you had done it on something.
Oh, yeah, I have my VPS. We can put it on. Yeah, I'll look. I'll spend the time doing that right now. I'll just share my screen and do that. It's Satisfactory related, whatever. Yeah, so I use Debian. And I also use Docker, so I'll spin up a Docker container for this. 12 gigs of RAM. Well, I'm glad my server has a shit ton of RAM. Okay. With AMP? What the fuck is AMP? Ubuntu. No, I don't need that. I do want to save this to make my own, but I don't want to utilize someone else's code. That one for my tabs. I really should just disable tab grouping. I never use it. Or tab stacking. Okay, these are clean. I don't know what AMP is. Cube coders. Put on tab. Yeah, I'm just going to vibe code most of my requirements on this. Dedicated server's official Satisfactory wiki. Here we go. This is what I want. All right, Control A. Let's open up anti-gravity. Oh, being a full stack developer in the vibe code era.
All right.
Kiki showed me this really good reel the other day around like software development and vibe coding. This content creator says that the vibe code era has completely cured their imposter syndrome. Which, after hearing their explanation, I can really empathize with, especially being like self-taught and not having a degree. So essentially, they were on a flight, and they were sitting next to someone who's like a self-proclaimed software engineer. And as soon as this person lost internet, they were struggling to debug their code. And essentially what ended up happening is they got into a discussion around, the person leans over and goes, you should remove that semicolon there. And they said, oh, every software engineer knows you need a semicolon. And they were coding in Python. I don't know if you're familiar, but like you terminate lines with Pythons in JavaScript, or you terminate lines in JavaScript with semicolons, but not in Python.
Yeah. I'm familiar enough with coding to know that I don't want to do it.
Yeah, and so this dude was just like floundering because he couldn't vibe code his solution. Which is a real thing, like, you have to be careful of, like, over-delegating your thought process to AI and not learning. But it's definitely very useful.
Yeah. No, it's one of those things now, at least for us, like, as an MSP, where I'm like, whenever I talk to the younger people, they're very, very reliant on it. And I'm like, okay, but like, what if you are here and you don't have access to this? Like, what would you do? And they're like, what do you mean? Like, you need to be able to like think through this logically without this other tool.
Yeah.
Like, it's a wonderful tool to use, but you also need to be able to do, you know, most of this without it. And it's not like, oh, you can't ever use it. It's just like you still need to be able to do the background. You can't just put everything into it. You need to have enough of a background to be able to at least tell it what you're actually fucking trying to do.
Yeah, you can't expect it to do it all for you. Like, it's nice when you can rely on it, but the moment, like, something seems off, then you need to be able to identify when something seems off.
Yeah, we had a kid delete a database in SQL the other day. He's like, well, that's what it told me to do. And I'm like, is it?
Is it? Is that what it told you to do? That's... Alright, so what I've done is I've downloaded the dedicated server official wiki into a folder. Prompt anti-gravity.
Say, don't tell me I hit the one fucking thing in my space. I also had a kid tell me he never used the control panel before. And I was just like, what? It's like, yeah, you just do it through apps. And I'm like, no, you don't.
No, sir. You can. Oh man. I mean,
I felt like
if
100
it's
years
easy,
old.
if it's simple, straightforward, but like, there's still functionality and so much not available to the interface. Let alone acknowledging the fact that Windows 11 is vibe-coded junk now. So you realistically probably should know the registry and using command line.
Yeah, I was just like, what do you mean? What do you mean you've never used this? And they're like, yeah, I never use it. And I'm like, oh boy.
And do you struggle with your interfaces freezing, with not finding things that you should be able to do? Still to this day, like, I use kill explorer.exe and then run it as a new process. And knowing how to do that, like, there is no easy way to do that. You have to know how to, like, bring up Task Manager, like, close that, and you have to know to, like, click this file, start new process. Like, that's not straightforward. I'm surprised Windows doesn't make that more intuitive. Or Microsoft.
Awesome. So I got sloppy Illumina right off the bat.
That's awesome.
Glad I saved those hard drives.
Yeah, good job.
Because now I don't... Or no, I didn't need quartz before, but I just...
Hey, here we go. Let's watch technology replace what would have taken me hours to do. It is really intense. So this new anti-gravity thing Google's come out with, which can integrate it with the various models like Claude, Gemini, see GPT OSS. I'm sure you could add other models like ChatGPT if you wanted. And it's an agentic first development environment. So it's not just like code complete or like you have to know to prompt. Like the user experience that it's designed around is you tell agents to do things and they don't just give you a generated response, they iterate on that and create plans and generate files and run like tests and commands and whatnot. And I've gotten really creative with it to like help with like doing like data work and even like project planning where like even before I like if I have an idea, I just from the outset I'm like, all right, help me create a project plan, think about like features, implementations, all that, and then I start the actual development work. It's crazy what it's available, what it's capable of. Okay, things I don't want to share on screen. But yeah, we'll get there. Proposed changes, Docker Compose, configuration using their latest image, write ports, system data, auto updates available, auto updates enabled, must stop, stop status, backup system, cron backup, sync, PowerShell script, execute rsync via WSL, documentation, README. All right, cron, can I need me? Um,
Okay, and I also need pure iron ingot, or pure aluminum ingot.
all right, let's pull this off screen. Open agent manager.
Alright, I also need pure or or aluminum ingot recipe, so I'm searching again. There's a fucking mam up there. I have so many mams. They're everywhere. That is more like it. Alright.
Interesting. Okay. I thought I had. I had another one, but okay.
Do you have something making concrete near me?
Yeah, there's concrete nearby. You could just put a smart splitter on it. It's
No,
underneath me.
I need to make
He ripped it off. So I need to plant it, I guess.
I guess so.
I need to change it to use wet concrete so I can do something with the excess water.
Yeah. Like I said, it's down below. Let me find it. I think it's very, very below. It's literally like the bottom layer.
I'm nearby it now.
It's almost like level with the blueprint makers.
Yeah, I see it. I got there. I was just like, I just needed to.
It pulls it in from two sources. It comes from both sides. They're both on the east side of the platform. And then they exit on the ceiling towards the west. Okay. Why doesn't I thought I could have switched it on my personal laptop.
Yeah, I just need to see if you have at least 346. You probably do.
At least what?
If you're making at least 346 per minute.
Making or taking in?
Taking in at least 346.
Oh, absolutely. I have 480 coming from one side, I'm pretty sure. I'll put logistics on here so I can give you an exact number. I'm curious.
Yeah. Not trying to mess with everything super bad, just trying to... Oh, I have limestone right here.
Yeah, there's a bit in this area.
It's normal, which would not give me enough.
Unless it got tapped further down. I'm not seeing as
there.
I'm not seeing as much as I would expect over here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's not getting used. Yeah, it's not getting used.
Yeah, I've got another pure node nearby.
Oh, there's plenty here. I can't tell you because I can't really see.
No,
I know
hear
what
you, but I also would need to be making the actual concrete here and not sending out the limestone. And you're taking in all the limestone and porting it out and making it into stuff elsewhere.
Yeah, you can just split it. Or split it. Are you meaning you need the concrete and not the limestone?
Yeah, I need the limestone, not the concrete.
Oh, the other way around. Then yeah, just smart split the limestone and prioritize whatever you're doing. Okay.
I need this next thing of research to go through.
There we go.
Yeah, because I'm making 432 ingots per minute of aluminum. Oh, did I never actually take packaged fuel? Okay, I'm going to, but...
I knew I did this. Good. Thank goodness I do things well. Is there any coal here? Because I need 288 of that. What the hell did I claim that one for? Okay. Redid the prompt, providing my VPS stuff ahead of time.
the right one. Don't want that. I want this. Resource nodes. Don't care, don't care, don't care. I think I actually do need, yeah, I need a normal at least.
Dude, this stuff is wild. I love this.
Alright, this does unfortunately appear to be like kind of the best spot for me to make this crap. That sucks.
You only get 3 autosave backups every 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I'm gonna create it so we get 6. So we've never used that, and I don't feel the need for more, but 3 does not feel like a lot. And I'm setting this up so it's not going to run while we're... Yeah, it's going to be easy for me to start, stop, etc.
No, I gotcha. You don't want it to just do it on its own.
Yeah, it only... Yeah, putting in a Docker container, it's only going to run backups while it's running. I'm creating one-click scripts from my Windows side, so I don't have to run commands, and it takes me like 10 minutes to get us going or stopping each time. Getting ready to deploy that in a minute or 2.
Okay. Can you... Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so 576 is what we get from that. Okay. So to make this as efficient as possible, I need more silica. Like, a lot more silica.
Yeah.
I also need the metric fuck ton of coal, too. Those both suck ass, too. Love it. And I know you're using some up there, so I could steal some, but I literally need like 480 raw quartz per minute.
Mm.
So I need to pipe it from elsewhere.
Brain it, probably.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have Big Dumb Train number 2.
Say big dumb train number 2.
Yeah, I know what's about to happen here.
Lucky we're about to get on a server.
My kid's also going to be
Probably.
waking up soon, so I'm probably not going to pipe that over today, but I will be happy to send you a save file so that we can do that next.
Yeah. If you want to send me that now so I can just test while I'm at it. And then just send me another one after. Alright. Just send me one later. I'll just load a default one to see if the server is working. I don't need our save file. I spoke too soon.
Alright, sorry. I'm not trying to fuck with you. I'm just trying to...
I'm not. Likewise. It goes both ways.
I appreciate you standing it up.
Yeah.
I just...
No, I'm looking at the time. It makes sense. Hey, I said if we're lucky. But so far my Ansible playbook is running smoothly. Those heavy modular frames start going. They did. That's good. What's this title? Oh, that's computer. This is lacking pipe. And this is lacking modular frames. What the fuck is going on?
Are you back at our main factory?
No.
Okay. I was like, I have fucked with our main factory. I haven't fucked with your...
Oh, I think I found what the hell is going on. Yep, fixed that. So that's an extra 2.8 modular frames per minute. Whoopsies. What about up here? This is lacking modular frames. This is lacking modular frames. Okay, that's expected. This is, I need to increase modular frame output. Okay, cool, my Ansible template finished running. We're not gonna do that then. Cool, my Ansible template ran, then I can just say server start. Launch Satisfactory, server manager, add server, claim server with admin password, first time only. Now let's see what happens. All right, like it's running. Let's give that a check. Are you sharing my screen?
Yes.
Oh, never mind. It hides IP addresses, so it doesn't matter if I'm streaming. Way to go, Satisfactory devs.
I need to make a fucking thing. Oh, I heard you, bitch. Oh, shit. Oh, thanks. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, jeez, motherfucker.
Oh, I just tried connecting too soon. Game takes a while to download.
Okay. So I need 288 coal per minute.
When I gotta verify the update, I'm doing some shenanigans. Looking good though.
Yeah.
And it's funny, even like as I was going and it was helping me debug, like it guessed, like it's probably still downloading the game.
It's like, hey, buddy, you seem like you're getting impatient. It's still coming.
It's like your Docker container is healthy and says it's still starting 7 minutes ago. This is a large game. It's probably just taking a minute. It goes, this isn't ready to accept connections. First time startup can take 10 to 20 minutes depending on network/disk speed. Keep the logs running in one terminal while you try to connect from the game. You'll see connection attempts appear. I guess when we're playing, I should, instead of just doing a one-click batch file on the Windows side, I should connect via SSH so I can watch for logs on my second screen. That is a good idea.
say it's...
Oh, there's an auto pause feature. I can just leave this shit running. Granted, that also tempts us to log in when both of us aren't available.
I mean, I feel like only one of us here has that problem.
All right, fair. Oh.
Alright, I think I'm at where I need to build my next train station.
You're calling it?
No, I'm where I need to build my next train station.
Oh. You have this like cadence and tonality in some of your statements where like it overlaps with like the way you'll make a statement of like, all right, I'm done for the night, like time to move on with my day. And like I try to read into it the longer our sessions go.
I'm sorry.
You don't gotta apologize. That's just nuance, you know. That's cool. Oh, we can disable seasonal events.
So I actually
So I can
need
change the autosave. I can
700
change. Sorry, go finish what you're saying. Sorry.
So I actually need 720 silica per minute. So I'm gonna need to have multiple belts feeding into this. So I think I need 2 train stations. Just for that. Or 2 containers.
Yep. Okay, cool. So I can set an autosave interval. I can change it will automatically restart once a day.
Yes. Oh, get fucked. Stop doing that.
Here too. What the fuck? Did I say skip the? Is that just where you start? Oh.
Where are you?
Ooh. That's silly. No way, I'm stuck. That's hysterical. I don't even give you foundations to start with.
I'm gonna need 20 constructors to make that much silica.
Let's go see what combat's like. That.
Samples of new living species acquired. Notable features are white feet, suggesting it is herbivorous, and a thickly coated skull and spine, suggesting it is proficient at inflicting and receiving blunt force trauma. Preserve the remains for later study.
That was clunky. I wonder why ping is playing with your client. Get away from me to check my ping. I'm not here. Oh, that was awesome.
What?
Joined, crash.
Oh.
It actually wasn't quite that. It was I joined, I jumped, used my jetpack for a moment, a split second, turned around, and crashed. One more time. Probably in the air now. Browsing Big Brother. Living on the edge. Altering genetics. Not facing the way I was when I crashed, but oh! Crash. Yeah, it looks like something in container helpers. Yeah, which is containers. Oh, but this is Unreal Engine. Build agent. Build agent, ref layout, property struct. Conveyor chainsaw. Okay, cool. So this is, oh, but that's part of factory game. This is in the actual runtime. So something in the Unreal Engine runtime is trying to resize an array to 4.1 billion. I wonder why. So,
And I'm gonna try back to green now. See if that works. Otherwise, do you know how to undo that sync thing?
I can't join your game.
Jesus. Okay.
Did you hear me bantering about the Unreal crash?
Yeah.
I don't know why it's trying to resize an array to 4 billion. You know what an array is, right?
Yes.
Initializing respawn sequence.batch. Fix it tip number 26. Level up. Ha, kidding. We don't even have levels. And crash. Oh, this time it was only 3.3 billion. Oh. Are you about to get off?
Yeah, I was just trying to finish this stupid station. But I can fix that next time. Yeah, I'll save that.
If you want to try relaunching real quick, I want to see if it makes a difference and if I could join.
I will reload.
Yeah, that's all I mean.
Alright, just reloaded.
Okay. And to relaunch. Connecting. Whoever reads this is a poo-poo head. So I was able to load in. Not only that, items are showing up on a couple of conveyor belts. I don't think, yeah, they weren't before. I don't know if they're showing up on all. No, actually, they might be. No, no, they're not. But yeah, I'm able to load. Thank you. Yeah. You can close out, send that file over.
Well, now I'm here and I'm gonna fix this other stupid train station.
We'll go for it.
The kid apparently is still sleeping, so I am
Nice.
making hay while the sun shines.
I will do something. Oh, now they show up. That's cute. One of the ways I could totally help this problem is cleaning up these manufacturer factories I have over here. It's a lot of unnecessary conveyor belts. But granted, it's not like it's hella intense.
I got you. So I need to add one more opening to this.
Yeah, I guess that's what I'll work on right now. That bullshit up. Because boy, did I definitely simplify it compared to... Ooh, a train derailed.
Yeah, it was
Compared to... Yeah, compared to what I originally built, you were not wrong to laugh at me for. That was so funny the other day. You went to use it and you're just like, fuck this, I'm building my own.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to be mean. I was just looking at it and I was like, bro.
You're like, no.
Yeah, I saw it and I was like, Or.
Or. Yeah, I guess swapping these out won't be insanely terrible. It'll actually be pretty fun. But I found a much, much better design for this.
Alright, these are all gonna unload.
So, you know what I found out is theoretically I can fit 4 manufacturers in a 5x5 if I just don't give a fuck about the aesthetic overlap. The game lets me overlap it. What's your take on that?
I feel like that will ruin my entire brain.
You won't like it?
My brain will very much not like it.
Got it. Because I was like, all right, like depending on the level of integrity you play this game with, you can do all like, you know, whatever the fuck.
Train menu.
It's great. It's crazy how much you can actually get the manufacturers to overlap vertically, and I think you can fit 3 vertical rows of them in a 5x5. You don't need to build a floor or anything. Like, you just hold the blueprint or hold the overlay there, and it allows you to build it. It's only your personal integrity that would stop you because it looks atrocious.
Oh, that's super cool. We can get even more annoying with trains. Their timetable settings, you can... So, I don't know if you've messed around with it at all, but you can typically set a timetable setting and you're like, oh, hey, you know, these are the stations you go to. Like, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck off. But you can also click in those stations and be like, hey, locomotive should stay at the station until one load or unload has been completed, or a freight wagon is fully loaded, or a time frame is reached. Or I can say, only load this item in the bin. Or only
all sorts of
this item in the bin. Yeah, like it's...
cool granular shit.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, until we fix that problem, I could have just spent my time doing blueprints. And ironically, yeah, taking the time to clean up this manufacturer blueprint would potentially help resolve my issue. Thank you.
Okay, so...
Hey.
Well, that's doing its thing. Oh.
I meant to get you away from the food, but you can stay on your bed. Did you feed them yet? It is about time to give them their second meal. Okay. He's just doing his weird groan thing.
Okay.
It's so cute.
I hope do a little more. Burger.
Yeah.
Better texture today.
That's good. 55 printable coupons. Okay.
And there's more in the thing.
Just buy the whole shop at this point.
No tomato for you.
Is tomato bad for them?
Huh?
Is tomato bad for them, or was he just going after a tomato?
I don't know. They're not supposed to eat vegetables.
Carnivores. He's getting cavalier climbing on my monitor.
Motherfuckers.
Oh yeah, that's how I did it. Damn it.
Oh my god. Leave me alone. Giant radioactive hog found me. I'm just out here minding my business. And he fucking died on my factory.
I'm sorry.
Bro, I need you to go.
Yeah, it's just like the restrictions in this game sometimes are kind of silly. Like, you know, the surface is too uneven message.
Mm-hmm.
If you ever get that, just lock your preview, and it lets you build it.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
I can hear you.
I'm talking today. I'm talking to Ray.
It's fucking coming down out there.
Sweetheart,
Jesus.
that's not why I'm.
They can
That's not why I'm talking.
they can hear you.
You should both be giving me the same.
Just because you made a point, I'm putting some aesthetic onto the manufacturer blueprint I'm updating. Just a little bit. I'm not going overkill. I'm not making walls and roofs and shit, but I'm giving it supports.
bad, buddy.
Well, just like if I focus too much on aesthetic, you're gonna make most of the game progression. Otherwise, I would.
So I'm running into a weird train issue.
Oh, yeah.
Where I basically have this giant conveyor system. I have 2 lines of 20 I have 20 constructors exporting into 2 lines, making 750-ish silica per minute. And to make it so that I don't, fuck up one line, I have them going into 2 different containers. One of them, I'm getting like 300 per minute, and the other I'm getting like 360 per minute. And neither one is right. And I'm not sure why.
Good luck.
Thanks. I'm gonna have to go back over there and figure out why. Oh. Oh, fuck. I need to split that up. Because that's going to be way too much for one build that I can make. Alright. Let's... making 360 per each of these. Okay.
was even better than the one that I built in my world.
Jesus. What asshole's doing this to me? Okay. So 475. That's 300. Okay. So I think aluminum is almost at a good point to start.
Nice. I'm gonna pull mass.
That seems to have made that better.
Do you have silica in the Dimensional Depot?
Maybe.
We don't.
Since I even
But we do.
did, it would not be much.
We do, but it's not filling. We don't have a fill. So I shouldn't use glass, because you'll hate me.
I mean, you can probably use glass. We just need to do something to deal with it.
Mm-hmm. I did use a little bit of glass. I think it's going to take like 16 silica to build the manufacturer blueprint. You know, don't they just have steel supports? Like, that's all I want. I don't really need glass windows on this. Architecture. Yeah, frame pillar set could probably do what I want. Or a beam expansion. Structural beam pack. Beam connector, beam support. Let's see what all this looks like. Get rid of those. Now, oh yeah, beams are perfect for this. All good, never mind. Wow, I need to up my aesthetic on my personal build, my personal world now. I didn't realize beams were so small and look nice. I have been slacking. Like I like my aesthetic on my personal world is my solo world is like bare minimum. Like I haven't like gotten like crafty and whatnot. I've just been like, oh, windows, walls. I kind of like the way that looks. Just do that on everything.
Okay.
Okay, that looks better than what I did with the windows. Sick.
I fucking...
Wow, beams are cool. Sick. I could probably use a half wall there. Or wait, we don't have half walls. There we go. Oops. But I can use a 1-footer just to make that look a little more rounded.
Oh. I think that was
And I
the...
should center it. Oh, you hear the kid waking?
Yeah, I heard the moves upstairs.
I will finish up what I'm doing. There, now that's nice. PJ,
I am piping.
honey, have you fed them? Okay, and on the backside.
There it is.
Dude!
Alright. There's the save.